Listen and practice these WH questions in English. Basic WH questions.
What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
Where do you live?
I live in Dakar.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Ali.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is in July.
Why are you happy?
Because I passed my exam.
Which color do you like?
I like blue.
How are you today?
I am feeling great. Daily life WH questions.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Where do you go after school?
I go home.
Who cooks in your family?
My mother cooks.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Why do you study English?
Because it is useful.
Which subject do you like?
I like science.
How do you go to school?
I go by bus. Personal preferences WH questions.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading.
Where do you want to travel?
I want to travel to Morocco.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Maher Zain.
When do you watch TV?
I watch TV in the evening.
Why do you like reading?
Because it is relaxing.
Which sport do you play?
I play football.
How do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrate with friends. School and learning WH questions.
What do you learn in English class?
I learn grammar and vocabulary.
Where is your school?
My school is in the city.
Who is your English teacher?
My English teacher is Mr. John.
When do you do your homework?
I do my homework at night.
Why is math important?
Because we use numbers every day.
Which book are you reading?
I am reading a novel.
How do you practice English?
I practice by speaking. Family and friends, WH questions.
What does your father do?
He is a doctor.
Where does your brother work?
He works in a bank.
Who is the youngest in your family?
My little sister is the youngest.
When do you visit your grandparents?
I visit them on weekends.
Why do you love your family?
Because they support me.
Which cousin do you talk to most?
I talk to my cousin Sam.
How does your family spend weekends?
We go to the park. Fun and free time, WH questions.
What do you do in your free time?
I play games.
Where do you like to relax?
I like to relax at the beach.
Who do you play with?
I play with my friends.
When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Why do you like cartoons?
Because they are fun.
Which movie is your favorite?
My favorite movie is Avatar.
How do you spend your holidays?
I travel with my family. Future plans, WH questions.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a teacher.
Where do you want to study?
I want to study in England.
Who will help you achieve your dreams?
My parents will help me.
When will you graduate?
I will graduate next year.
Why do you want to be successful?
Because I want a good life.
Which country do you want to visit?
I want to visit Japan.
How will you prepare for your future?
I will study hard.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will go to school. Thank you for watching.